Hello, do you know how to expand the network's bandwidth without increasing costs on uplink upgrades? If you look at a weekly channel usage chart of a home internet operator, you can see that peak usage usually occurs during the most busy hours, when everyone is at home after work, downloading, watching movies and videos, playing online games and surfing the internet. As you can see in this example from our statistics, on the most busy hours, torrent traffic takes up almost 10% of the bandwidth. Let's lower torrents and raise YouTube's priority. SSG applies policy to the following logical objects: common channel, virtual channel, subscriber, and session. In this video, we will use the common channel. Policing is applied to 8 traffic classes, which you can set up in the following way. Let's open Stingray Service Gateway dashboard and go to the configuration section. Look for external channels usage optimization and click autocomplete. There are 2 policy mechanisms available to choose from: HTB and TBF. Here you can also select the network speed unit. Let's set inbound and outbound speed to 2 megabits. You can also change each class value separately. And switching to the Editor tab, you can set up all of the options manually. Now we click Save, Verify and Save, Update and Refresh. Here are your torrent client and YouTube tab in the other window. We activated Stats for Nerds in YouTube to see its current connection speed. And we set the video quality to 720p to see the best result. As we can see here, YouTube has not enough traffic to play the video in 720. Let's fix it out. Go to the Protocol Prioritization section of the main menu. And then click the small plus button. Let's put YouTube to the highest class. Enter the protocol name and select the DCP value. Next, we put torrent to the lowest class, which is CS7. And all of the rest traffic will be default. We put it to the first class. You can also set up protocols manually in the Editor tab. At the last step, we save an update, and we're ready to check the result. Torrent speed dropped down as soon as we applied the settings. YouTube almost completely displays torrent traffic, taking the hugest part of 2 megabits bandwidth. This way we did it. We prioritized YouTube over torrent using limited channel bandwidth.